If you're experiencing an installation loop while trying to install FIFA 24, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and successfully complete the installation. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for FIFA 24. Check the official website for the specifications needed to run the game smoothly. Step 2. Clear temporary files. Delete any temporary files that may be causing conflicts during installation. You can do this by typing disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and selecting the option to clear temporary files. Step 3. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall, as they may be blocking the installation process. Remember to re-enable them after the installation is complete. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the FIFA 24 installation file and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that might be causing the installation loop. Step 5. Reinstall Origin or EA app. If the problem persists, uninstall and then reinstall the Origin or EA app. This can fix any corrupted files or settings that may be affecting the installation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue and enjoy playing FIFA 24. If problems continue, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.